Hello, today I'm going to show you one of the very important features in Volume, reports. So, we can check reports on two levels, on all the campaigns levels, or if we select one of the campaigns, so we're going to show you the data specifically for this selected campaigns. So let's select maybe Google Ads campaign, let's hit report, and the campaign will be opened in a new tab right here. And here, if we select these tabs, so we will see the data for this campaign. So here we have offers, then we have landers, then sub-landers. So if we have campaigns, for example, with listicles, we can check what happens on sub-landers level. Then affiliate networks, paths, conversions. So we're gonna put more attention on conversions report because this is the most important goal in our campaigns. Let's hit on conversions first, but then we can check the reports by click ID as well, transaction ID, external ID, so the value that was passed from your traffic source, and postback parameters that were sent from affiliate network. Let's hit on the generic one, conversions. And here what we can see is, of course, the click ID that was generated by volume, the external ID, if there was any sent from traffic source. Of course, this is a demo account, so the external ID will be unknown. But if it happens that in your report you have external ID as unknown, it means that there may be a parameter missing from your traffic source. So your traffic source doesn't populate any value, or you didn't append this specific parameter to your campaign URL. So please make sure it is present there. Next, we have visit timestamp, so the time when the visit actually happened, and the postback timestamp, so time when a conversion was reported to volume, or via postback URL or via pixel. And of course, many other data like revenue, currency, and more. If we need more data to be added to our report, we can hit on columns and select the metric we need and simply hit save. For future reports, we can create a template with a predefined number and order of columns, and we simply select the metrics we are interested in. We hit save as template, we give this template a name, and we hit save. And the next time when hitting on the columns icon, you will see your template right here, and you simply hit on the name, and this template will be loaded. Okay, let's move on to variables. This is another very important report because it shows all the information that was sent from your traffic source with your tracking link. So with campaign URL, lander tracking URL, or offer tracking URL. It depends on the transition you selected on your campaigns. Let's select the first one and let's see what keywords were sent from Google Ads. Of course, in demo account, I won't have any data here, but in your real account, you will see a list of all the keywords. So if you want to check which keyword performs best and gives you the best performance, you can check it here. And if you select other variables, you will check it as well. Okay, the next one is connection. So here we can check connection type, internet service provider, carrier, mobile carrier, and proxy. Let's check, for example, ISP carrier. This is how this report looks like. Then we have country, so if you need to check your data by country, states, region, which one performs best, which one should be excluded, it can be done here. The next one is IP. This is very important in case of bot traffic. If you receive some suspicious traffic, so it's very useful to check which IP can be problematic. Then we have more reports. It can be filtered by devices, so device type, if it's desktop, if it's mobile, brand, model, operating system version, browsers, referrer. And the next one, which I would like to show, is live events. It's very useful to see the last 100 events, last 100 visits and clicks that were reported to Voluum for a specific campaign. If you have a campaign with offers only, so please check live visits report. And similarly to the conversions report, we will see the timestamp, the click ID, and the external ID if it was sent from traffic source. As you can see here, we have click ID as unknown. This is because this specific campaign has landers, and in case of campaigns with landers and offers, we need to go to live clicks report, not visits. Live visits report should be checked if you have only an offer in your funnel. Here it is. Here we have the click ID generated when someone clicked on the call to action button, timestamp, user agent, and many more. Okay, and last three reports we have here is language, so the language of the users, date. If we need to filter the report by day, by month, or by hour of day, day of week. So this is more granular reports, but in case you need it, you will find it here. Okay, so another very interesting feature is report grouping. So you can check the report by 3 dimensions. Let's say we need to check our data, for example, for browsers. So browsers and maybe device type, and here we can select operating system. So we hit apply, and this 3-dimensional report will load right here. And you can check all the information for these 3 dimensions right in the same dashboard. If we select, this is a table view, but if you select tree view, and now you can see the first dimension, so browsers. Now we hit right here, and then we have device type. Now I'm gonna show you what's hidden under the mobile phone, and here is the operating system. So this is how you can check this report. But what happens if you need more dimensions? Not 3, but 4. So this is a very simple solution for this. We need to go to export, big data reports, and right here you can add the 4th grouping. Let's say offers. So we need to check the report for offers, browsers, device type, and operating system. You can put the email address you would like to receive this email to, or add more addresses if needed, and of course hit request. Okay, so this is how it works. I hope you will enjoy switching from reports, and that you will find all the information that you need. Thank you.